Now that you have your new Descent G2 Series dive computer, we're going to show you how to customize the data screens on your activities. Each activity profile has default screens with the most used data fields. You can add to or modify these screens. To begin, press the Start/Stop button to open the Activities and Apps list. Scroll through the activity list and select the activity you want to edit. Pro tip: select Add at the bottom of the list to add additional activities. Once you select an activity from the list, you can then choose where to place it in your activity list. For this video, we'll be using the hike activity. When you start the activity, you will see a pre-activity screen. Press down to view the data screens for the activity. To make changes, press the Up menu button to open the Settings menu. Scroll down and select Data Screens. Here, you will be able to scroll through all the default data screens. Select one of the screens you want to adjust or add. This will bring you to the Custom Screen menu. Note: changes to dive activity fields will be limited to ensure you retain important dive information. You can always add a new data screen to a dive activity to customize your dive screen to your liking. Select Layout to change how many data fields are shown on screen. Scroll over the available options and select the one you prefer. Now you can adjust the individual data fields. First, select Data Fields. Then choose the field you want to edit. Select the specific category that you would like to view during the activity. For this video, we are going to select Cadence Fields. Select the specific option that you would like to view. Continue to edit the other fields. When finished, press the back button 3 times. You will see the data field changes on the activity screens. And that's it. Your Descent G2 Series dive computer activity data fields are now set up. To learn more about your device, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.